Are you an artist about to book your first paint party event, but you're unsure if you should charge your customers or if you should let them paint for free and do something complimentary? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you my recommendations, and if that's something you're interested in, stick around. Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks, and welcome to our official YouTube channel where we help artists create profitable paint party businesses. Thank you so much for being here. We truly appreciate the love and support. So this week's question comes from the Potter's Clay, and their question is, did you start your very first event or first few events by charging, or was it complimentary? And this is a really great question because I know for a lot of you, when you're first getting started, charging people for your painting services can feel a little weird, and you don't have a lot of experience, and you have this gut impulse to do things for free. And I totally get it. And I toyed around with this dilemma for my first several events. But I'm going to give you the short and sweet answer, and you're not going to like it. But basically, you can do whatever you want to do. This is your business. If you want to start giving away events for free just so you kind of build up some momentum, get some confidence underneath your belt, that's totally fine. But I will give you my recommendations on what you should do, and I'll also share with you what I did in the beginning as well. And feel free to do whatever you'd like. So I totally get it if you want to give away your first one or two events for free, especially if it's for friends and family. Go ahead. If that's something that makes you feel good, do like an intuitive check, and you're like, you know what, I'd really like to give away these events for free. Totally do it. That's totally fine. But I highly recommend that you start charging your clients right out of the gate, so you get a feel for the transaction process, whether that be giving your customers a ticket link, whether that be sending an invoice. You want to get a feel for money coming in. And this will also kind of reinforce the idea and give you the confidence that this paint and sip thing actually works. Like, oh my goodness, I can actually make money doing this. So I highly recommend that you charge. Having that said, when I first started out, what I did is I gave some discounts in the beginning if it was for friends and family. So if it was for my friends or family, I would, or someone that's hosting the event, sorry, I lost my train of thought for a sec. If it's for the host, what I usually would say is, you can paint for free if you host the event. So the host gets paint for free because they're opening up their house to, their friends and family. They're providing a group, and they're providing the venue where you can set up and teach. So I would say, I'd waive the $35 and say the host gets paint for free. So that's one discount that you can give. And that's actually a really good discount to sort of book a lot of the paint parties in the beginning, because if you do like a quick social media blast, or you do a quick email blast to your friends and family and say, hey, I'm starting off my own paint and sip company, and if you book now, the host gets paint for free. That is a great way to start getting some really quick bookings. The other thing you can do if it's for friends and family is you can offer like a flat rate discount. And I still do this to this day. So say your ticket price is $35. You can say, okay, the family and friend discount, it's only $25 per person. So you're knocking $10 off the top. And that's another way to make yourself feel like you're providing some type of a discount or freebie. That's a really good way to sort of be fair to yourself, and then also reward the people close in your life. So I highly recommend that, if you're, edging on the idea of, doing a whole entire paint party for free, take a step back and say, okay, so I really want to make a living off of this, and either offer a discount or have the host paint for free. And I think that's a great solution to your issue. And again, having all that said, you can do whatever you want. Okay, if you want to let everyone paint for free, go right ahead. You can do it for the rest of your life if you want. But I think when it comes down to it, you do need to make money as a new paint and sip owner, as an artist. I highly, highly recommend that you do charge something, so you get that feeling of making money from something you're passionate about. So I hope that was very helpful. I have some really exciting news to share with everybody. So I just created my first free ebook that you can actually get on our website. I'll actually flash up a picture of the cover right here. I'm really, really excited about this free ebook. It's called Paint Party Freedom, and it basically shares with you 17 reasons that I feel you should start a paint and sip business right now. And it's completely free if you just visit JJArtworks.com. I'll leave a link in my description as well. And it goes over, if you're on the fence about starting your paint and sip business, it sheds the light on why you should start right now. And it goes over things like, you'll have a flexible schedule, you'll be your own boss, it's great to make side income, it's very spiritual fulfilling, you kind of lean into your purpose in life. So definitely check that out. I'll leave in the description below. Also, if this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified when we come out with weekly videos. If you're curious as to what supplies we use at JJArtworks, I have descriptions of all the supplies in the link below, in the description below. Definitely check that out. And then also, if you'd like one-on-one coaching, that's something I offer as well. Visit JJArtworks.com and you can check that out. So thank you again to the Potter's Clay for this burning question. Really appreciate the love and support. And I'll talk to you all in another video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.